Okay, so this is the Macho Mike. This is my flight, Delta, flight number 630. We're now approaching Nagoya and going to Centrair International Airport in Nagoya, Japan as a stopover, en route going to Detroit, McNamara International Terminal. And from there, I'll be going to O'Hare Airport in Chicago. So this is the view outside our Delta plane going down Centrair International Airport. But first, pan around the airport. See what is sleeping. Macho. Landing on Centrair. So, Centrair is in the middle of one of the islands in Nagoya. In a few moments, we will see as we were landing to Centrair from here, from the airplane. By the way, the airplane is a 747-400. Okay? As I told you a while ago, Centrair is situated in a man-made island in the middle of the bay here in Nagoya. That's why you see lots of ships. It's near the harbor in Nagoya. Now, beyond the horizon there is Nagoya. And, okay, again, in a few moments we will be seeing Centrair International Airport in Nagoya. There's a boy. Oh, there's the boy. Life boy. Okay, we're now on final approach. We will be landing in a few seconds, so bear with me. There, we're now landing at Kansai. Oh, sorry, in Centrair. There's Centrair International Airport. You see, it's the middle of the harbor. I was here in 2005, but I didn't bring a video camera then, unlike now. That's why I'm taking video of the landing here. Oh, okay. So there, beyond there, there's Centrair International Airport. See? There's a tower. It's slightly smaller than Narita. If you will see my videos of landing at Narita Airport, this is a slightly smaller international airport than Narita.
On behalf of Delta Airlines, we welcome you to Nagoya, Japan, where the local time is 10:40.
Again, this is the Centrair International Airport of Nagoya. Okay? So,
make that 11 o'clock and reach
So Macho Mike signing out.